If you're looking for a tool that can optimize the way you work in WordPress, then this is the right video for you, because there's a new plugin called CommandUI. And it makes it easy to find your post, your pages and specific post types, but also has some nice shortcuts and allows you to install plugins. Let me show you. So I use InstaWP for my testing and experiments. And when I press Magic Login, we have our WordPress dashboard. And here we can press Ctrl K to go to somewhere. For instance, we want to go to post types. Then we can press Post and we want to find a specific post. And here you have an overview of the posts that we have. It's not a lot at this moment, but it's Hello World. And if I press Enter again, I can choose to view or edit the post. And if we press for edit, then we will be sent to the Gutenberg Editor. Now, the CommandUI also works with Bricks Builder, and that's a very nice thing. Now, what I usually do when I need to go to another page, because I didn't actually want to edit this page, but perhaps I want to go to a page and create one. I need to go back, I need to go to pages, and I will need to go to add new page to create a new page. Admin UI makes this very easy. For instance, I'm on this page and I want to create a post. I press Ctrl K and then I will search for create. I can select to create a post, a page, or something else. And when we create a post, then we are now on our post creation process. So let's type something in. Let's hit publish, and now it's published. Now, if we want to create something else, you can also, when nothing is selected, press a shortcut. For instance, just press C to create something like another page, and this will be an about page. And we can also save this one as drafts because it's not finished yet. And when we press Ctrl K again, we can see that there are other shortcuts available for us as well. For instance, when you want to go to somewhere, you can press G and then T. For specific post types, you can press P and then T. And for users, you can press UU. So let's give this a spin. I press GT and I can go to somewhere else. For instance, our post that we just created, and we want to show all posts. And here we have access to all our posts. If I press UU, I can see all the rules that are available in WordPress. And I can select one, and there we see the administrator of this website. We can press enter, and then we can edit the profile. There's also a very nice possibility to install certain plugins. For instance, we want to install a new plugin. We can search for repository, and again here you see that there's a shortcut available. You can press P and then R, and you can then search in the repository straight away. So let's give this a try. Press PR, and now we can search for anything. For instance, we want to install Elementor, and we can say even install and activate, because you can activate on this as well. And here we see a nice pop-up that it has been installed. And if we go to our plugins, you see that we get greeted by the Elementor installation wizard. And here we have Elementor installed right now. This was just a very quick overview of CommandUI, a really easy way to get around your WordPress dashboard. And I think it's a very easy tool to use. Now it's up to you if you want to use it. For me, I do think it makes sense to use it. It gets you around the WordPress dashboard really easy, but it's more of a utility tool than a tool that I need for every website. If you like this video, please hit subscribe, and I thank you for watching. Keep designing.